This video will show you how to manage your reviews in Womply. Before you can do that, however, you need to claim your pages and add your credentials. If you haven't claimed your pages, please check out our knowledge base article on how to do that. And if you haven't added your credentials yet, you can check out our suggested video about credentials by clicking the banner in the top right corner of the screen. When a customer writes a new review on a review site, you'll receive an email from Womply notifying you about your new review. When you click the Reply Now button, it will take you to the Manage Reviews section of Womply. The other place you can see your reviews is by clicking Reputation Activity in the left navigation menu. This is where you can get a quick look at your recent reviews, negative reviews, and positive reviews. When you click View, Take Action, or Say Thanks, it will take you directly to the Manage Reviews section. In Manage Reviews, you'll see all of your reviews on the left-hand side of your screen. You can sort them by newest, oldest, highest rated, or lowest rated. Once you select one of the reviews, it will pop up on the right-hand side where you can proceed in one of three ways: reply to the review, report the review, or dismiss the review. Here you can see that Danielle left us 5 stars but didn't write a comment. That's a great review, and since she didn't comment, we probably don't need to respond, so we'll click Dismiss. You can always go into the dismissed folder and reply to or report a dismissed review later. Let's say that this review was very negative and a little fishy. Maybe it's from a disgruntled ex-employee, or seems like a fake review from a competitor. You can report the review to the site it was posted on by clicking Report. In this case, we're asking Google to remove the review. When you click Report, a window will pop up explaining that each site has their own guidelines for what they qualify as a removable review. By clicking Submit, you're asking the site to look at the review and remove it if it fits their guidelines. They'll contact you directly to let you know whether or not they'll remove it. Please note that not every review that's reported will be removed. In most cases, you'll be using this page to reply to a review. You can click here to type a custom response, and when you click Reply, your response will move to the In Progress folder where someone from Womply will make sure this reply gets posted. Please note that it usually takes about 24 hours for your response to be posted. Once they are posted, they will move into the completed folder. If you don't have enough time to write a custom response to every review you receive, there are 2 more options for replying to reviews. A quicker way to respond is by clicking Choose a Suggested Reply and selecting one from our list. These suggestions will change based on the star rating of the review. If you want to make this suggested reply your own, you can edit it here before clicking Reply. The other way you can reply to reviews is by turning on Auto Reply. On the Reputation Activity page, you'll see this button to turn on Auto Reply. When you click it, it will launch this page that has an on-off switch. After you switch it on, anytime you receive a 1 or 2 star review, Womply will send you an email notifying you about the negative review. Once you receive the email, you have 24 hours to decide if you'd like to write a custom response to the review. If you don't submit a response within 24 hours, Womply will automatically respond to the review with this message. If it's a particularly bad review, or you feel the need to take a more hands-on approach, you can write your own response here or choose one of these other reply options. You can turn off auto reply anytime you'd like. Managing reviews is a great way to help boost your reputation. To learn more about boosting your reputation, check out these other videos. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@womply.com.